What's going on YouTube? How you guys doing? It's Scootski back with a new video. Today we're doing a little something different. We're going to be putting together a overland truck camper that my buddy Anthony bought. He bought it on Black Friday. It just came in. It is beginning of the year on the 5th. So we're going to be putting it together. This is unboxing. It did come with saran wrap. So it came just like this. I just took the saran wrap so I could just inspect the boxes, make sure everything was okay when it got shipped. But he got it shipped here. We're gonna put it to newer Tacoma body style, not the new one, but a 3rd gen Tacoma. So put this on and see how it looks. Well, put it together and see how it looks. See how easy it is. He told me it took him about 3 hours last time, but he doesn't know what the hell he's doing, so I don't either. Let's do this. Let's see what part's what. Alright, let's do what part this. This is probably going to be the heavy one. Yeah, it is. It's not horrible, but maybe like 90 pounds, 100 pounds. Okay, unfortunately it's going to rain, so we're going to start this on another day. So when you see me, I'm going to be in different clothes and whatever, and it's probably going to be sunny out. But as you can see, it's going to rain here soon, and I'm already losing a little bit of sunlight, and this looks like it's going to be like a 3-hour job. And the thing is I don't have a room to put it, like once it's all together. I don't have enough room to put it all together and put it somewhere. I have it when it's all in parts. I have room for it. So alright, what's going on YouTube? How you guys doing? So we're gonna be putting up this OVS camper. If you saw earlier, I was wearing different stuff. This is totally a different day. It's about a week later because it was the only time that we actually had off that we could dedicate like almost a few hours. It gets dark by the time I get off work, so we're gonna start working on this. He went to go get some stuff off of out of his storage because he has to change his rear tail light, because putting this on, it's gonna hit. So he's gonna go get the stock one, and we're gonna start taking this apart. Let's do it. The nuts and washers. Okay. These nuts and washers, yes, it is nylon, but it's stainless on stainless. So what you want to do is when you put this on, we're going to have to use a little bit of anti-seize so they don't gall up. So it's very recommended. I don't think the kit came with it, but we got this little thing for anti-seize on Amazon for like $5, $8, so make sure you use that. We know what goes where, so you know 2 washers per one, and then they are sided. It is actually completely flush. This is just gonna go bolt, O-ring, bolt, O-ring, and then these just slide. Okay. down.
Okay. Okay. What do you mean it comes off? So how do you assemble it so fast? I don't really know for like an hour.
Huh?
How do you assemble it so fast? I was gone for like an hour. It literally took us like with that guy.
1, 2. Okay, hold up. 1 second. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we're good with seals on this side. How about you?
Will it fit in there?
Yeah, right there.
How am I gonna run it through it?
I was thinking that we can undo some of the nuts right here and fish the wire through the fucking top of this.
You think it'll work?
Mm-hmm. I go find it, but it's done. It's about a 3 to 4 hour job to wire up everything, make sure everything's good. So if you guys like this kind of content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down at the bottom, and I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Bye.